Good morning, dears. Welcome back to our special class. I think all of you watch Victor's class. In Victor's class, the next unit is going on. So, we are one unit back. So, we have to complete some more portions. Okay. The next is subtracting and adding. Harry had 200 rupees in his purse. He take 50 rupees from it for buying a notebook. The price of a notebook is 40 rupees. The shopkeeper gave back 10 rupees. The remaining 10 rupees is again in his purse. Then how much is in his purse now? First, amount in Harry's purse is 200. Suppose there are 4 50 rupee notes in his purse. 4 50 rupees notes. Among the 4 50 notes, 4 50 rupees notes, among the 4 50 rupees notes, number of 50 rupees is 4. Among 4, he take only 1. That means 150 rupees. Not 150, 150 rupees. He take 50 rupees. Price of a notebook is only 40 rupees. The shopkeeper gave back 10 rupees to him. He put it in that purse. Therefore, in the purse there are 3 50 rupee notes plus 10 rupee. That is 160 rupees. What? Amount in Harry's purse is 200. He take 50. Price of a notebook is 40. The remaining balance is 10 rupees. Again, he put it in his purse. Then amount in his purse now is 160 rupees. 200 minus 50, 150 plus 10, 160. This can be written as 200 rupees is in his purse. He gave 50 rupees to notebook and 10 rupees gave back. Therefore, total amount spent is 40 rupees. 200 minus 40, this is also 160 rupees. Isn't it? That means this can be written as 200 minus 50 and then add 10 equal to 200 minus what amount he spent. He spent 40 rupees. 200 minus 40. Both are equal. So, when we subtract a number from a number and then add a number is equal to subtract the difference of the last two numbers from the first. But one thing is to remember, the second number must be greater than the third number. Then only we can find the difference. Okay, therefore in algebra, it can be written as if there are x, y, z are the numbers, then x minus y plus z. First subtract y from x, then add z. Is equal to x minus y minus z when y is greater than z. Then activities 38 minus 8.5 plus half. Here first we subtract 8.5, then add half. Instead of that, first find 8.5 minus half, 8. 38 minus 8, that is 30. The 4.2 minus 3.2 minus 2.3. In the normal way, first we subtract 3.2 minus 2.3, that is 0.9. Then subtract 4.2 minus 0.9, that is 3.3. Or another way, first find 4.2 minus 3.2. That is 1 plus 2.3, that is 3.3. This can be explained as, look here, 10 minus 10, 1. Then 10 minus 8, 1 less than 9. Then here increase 1, 2. 10 minus 7, that is 1 less than 8. Here that 1 is increasing, that is answer is 3. 10 minus 6, 4. When we subtract less, we get more. When we subtract less and less, we get more and more is the result. When 1 is subtracted, we get 1 more. 2 is subtracted, we get 2 more. Like that. When less is subtracted, the result is more. Whatever less is subtracted, then that much more is the result. When we subtract the least number, we get the largest number. If we take x and y are two numbers, then subtract y from x can be written as x minus y. X minus y means subtract y from x. If we take another number z, then y minus z means z less than y, or subtract z from y. So, for every x, y and z, x minus y minus z is equal to x minus y plus z, x is greater than y. First subtract x minus y minus z is equal to x minus y plus z. That principle is used here. Then the next is sum and difference. What happens when we add the sum and difference of two numbers? What happens when we add the sum and the difference of two numbers? First we take two numbers such as 6 and 4. Sum is 6 plus 4, 10. Add smallest and to the largest number. Then difference, 6 minus 4. Subtract smallest from the largest. That is 2. Then add these two results. 10 plus 2. We get 12. Then 6 plus 4 plus 6 minus 4. 6 plus 6, 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 6 plus 6 is 12. It is 12. Means 2 into 6. Which is the greatest number here? 6. Therefore, twice of 6 is the answer. When we add the sum and difference of two numbers, first sum and difference of two numbers. Add sum and difference of two numbers, we get twice of the largest number. In algebra, it can be written as x plus y. X and y are two numbers. X plus y is the sum. X minus y is the difference. And add the sum and the difference. X plus y plus x minus y is equal to 2x. That is the twice of the first number or the greatest number. X plus y plus x minus y is equal to 2x. Sum and difference of, and the addition of sum and difference of two numbers is twice of the largest number. One example, sum of two numbers is 10. Difference is 2. Find the number. First take the numbers are x and y. Then given x plus y is equal to 10 and x minus y is equal to 2. And we studied their sum. Different sum of the difference and the sum is equal to 2x. That is x plus y plus x minus y is equal to 2x. Then 2x is equal to, here 2x, x plus y plus x minus y is equal to 2x. Here 2x is 10 plus 2, that is 12. Double of x is 12. Then x is half of 12, that is 6. Then x plus y is equal to 10 given. From that x is 6. Then what about y? Y is equal to 10 minus 6, that is 4. Then check is it correct or not. X is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4. X plus y 10. X minus y 4. Another way, sum and difference are 1 by 1. X plus y and x minus y. Then sum plus difference. 2x plus x. 2x is equal to 12. X is equal to 6. And y is equal to 4. This method you will be studied in the higher classes 8th and 9th. That is why I am representing this in here also. That means if we add the sum and difference, we get the twice of the largest number as the answer. From that, find the largest number, then we find the smallest number from the sum. If we then check what about if we subtract the sum and difference? X plus y minus x minus y. Using the principle x plus, using the principle that x minus y minus z is equal to x minus y plus z, Then here x plus y minus x minus y is equal to x plus y minus x minus y plus y. X plus y minus x plus y. X and x minus x 0. Y plus y 2y. That is, here we use x minus y minus z is equal to x minus y plus z. This rule is applied here. Then this principle is applied here. That is, x plus y minus x minus y is equal to 2y. That is the twice of the smallest number. When we add the sum and difference, we get twice of the largest number. And when we subtract the sum and difference, we get twice of smallest number. In that principle, we can check that x plus y is equal to 10 and x minus y is equal to 2. X plus y minus x minus y. Difference of sum and difference, that is 2y. Then here also find the difference. 10 minus 2, 8. 2y is equal to 8. That is double of y is equal to 8. Then y is equal to half of 8. That is 4. Then apply. If y is equal to 4, then x is equal to 10. In x plus y is equal to 10. Here y is equal to 4. Therefore x is equal to 10 minus 4, 6. Here also the x and y are 6 and 4. You can find the number in any of this two method. Then activities, sum 12, difference 8. Find the number. Let the numbers are x and y, and then x plus y is equal to 12 and x minus y is equal to 8. Here, denote both ways. X plus y plus x minus y, that is sum of sum and difference, that is 20. X is equal to 10, then y is equal to 2. Then difference of sum and difference, that is 2y, that is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. Then if y is equal to 2, then x is equal to 10. Both are correct. You do it yourself. Then check you can understand or not. If not, call me. Then the price of a book and pen together is 16 rupees. The price of a book is 10 rupees more than that of a pen. What is the price of each? Here not given the sum and difference, but read the question and understand which is the sum and which is the difference. The price of a book and pen together, that is the sum. Here sum is 16. And the difference of the pencil is 10 rupees. That is, pencil and notebook is 10 rupees. That is the difference, that is 10. Here sum is 10 and sum is 16 and difference is 10. Let the numbers are x and y. X is the price of book and y is price of a pen. X plus y is 16, x minus y is 10, that is given. Then addition of sum and difference, that is 2x is equal to 26, x is equal to 30. That is price of a book is 13. Book and pen is 16. The amount of book is 13. Therefore, pen is 3 rupees. Then check whether it is correct or not. 13 plus 3, 16. It is a sum. 13 minus 3, 10. That is the difference. Price of a book is 13 and the price of a pen is 3. Okay. Then the questions are in this type. Therefore, understand the questions thoroughly. Then try to answer the question. Then addition and multiplication. Twice of a number. Twice means 2 times. 2 times of a number and 5 times of the same number added together. In algebra, the number is x. 2 times of the number means 2x. 2 times means twice. 3 times of 3x means 3 times of that number. Then we both added together 2x plus 3x. That is 5x. That is same number, twice of the number plus thrice or 3 times of the same number. We get 2 plus 3, 5 times of that number. Twice and 3 times of a number added together, we get 5 times of that number. That means, instead of adding 2 times and 3 times of a number separately, multiply the number with the 5 times. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 times. 2 plus 3, 5 times. 2 plus 3, 5 times. For example, 2 into 20 plus 3 into 20. 20 is multiplied first 2 times and then 3 times. Instead of multiplying 2 times and 3 times and then add, multiply 2 plus 3 5 times, that is 100. Then the next question. In a mass conference, 2 rooms are used for discussion. In one room, there are 40 people and in the other 35. At tea time, each is to be given 2 biscuits. How many biscuits are needed? In the first room, there are 40 members, 40 people. Therefore, each one has 2 biscuits, then 40 people have 80 biscuits. In the second room, there are 35 people, each one got 2 biscuits, therefore total biscuit is 35 into 2, 70. Then grand total is 80 plus 70, 150. Or otherwise, how many people are in both the rooms? First room 40, second room 35. Total 75. Each one got 2 biscuits. Therefore, total biscuits is equal to 75 into 2, 150. It means 40 into 2 plus 35 into 2 is equal to 40 plus 35 into 2. This is true in case of fractions also, not natural numbers only. It is true in fractions also. For example, half of 8 and half of 10 are added together. Half of 8 is 4. Half of 10 is 15. Their sum is 9. 4 plus 5. Then 8 plus 9, 10, 18. Half of 18, that is also 9. Therefore, instead of adding half of 8 and half of 10, add half of 10 plus 8. That is 9. That means multiplying two numbers by a number separately and adding give the same result as multiplying the sum by the number. These all the questions are you used in your daily life. Here we express using letters also. That is a difference. These all are your in daily activities. When you went to the shop, when you go to the shop, some amounts are there. Then you buy some things and give the amount. Then the shopkeeper give back the balance. That is this. These all the formulas are used by you in your daily life. Then multiply and then add is equal to add and then multiply. In algebra, x, y, z are the numbers. Then x z plus y z. Here z is multiplied by the two numbers. Instead of that, x plus y into z. First add x and y, then multiplied by z. This is true in the case of subtraction and multiplication. For example, 5 times of a number is subtracted from 10 times of a number. If a number is x, 5 times of the number 5x, 10 times of a number 10x. 10x minus 5x, 5x. Or 10 minus 5, 5. 5 into x, 5x. This can be also used in algebra. As x, y, z are the numbers, then x z minus y z is equal to x minus y into z, or x is greater than y. That is, in the addition and the subtraction, this rule is true. Then, activity, page number 47. 15 into 3 by 4 plus 5 into 3 by 4. 15 and 5 are multiplied by 3 by 4. Instead of that, 15 plus 5, 20. 20 into 3 by 4. That is 60 by 4, 15. Then 1 by 3 into 20 plus 2 by 3 into 20. Here 20 is multiplied by 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Then 1 by 3, note the sign in between them. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. That is 3 by 3, that is 1 into 20. Here 2 and a half into 23 minus 1 and a half into 23. Here 23 is multiplied by 2 and a half and 1 and a half. Here the difference, here the sign is difference. 2 and a half minus 1 and a half into 23. That is 1 into 23. There are other 3 homeworks for you. Then here introduce some square numbers. Square numbers means The pattern is like a square. There are 3 numbers in the left, right, top and bottom. That are the square numbers. Here the numbers 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 13, 14, 15. Sum of these square numbers. First find sum of these 9 numbers. Answer is 72. Then number in the middle. Number in the middle is 8. How many numbers are in there? There are 9 numbers. 8 into 9, 72. That is the sum. Take another square numbers. Here also sum of the numbers is 81. Which is the middle number? 9. How many numbers are there? 9. 9 into 9, 81. Thus, product of the middle number and the number of the square numbers is the sum of all the square numbers. Sum of the 9 square numbers is the product of the middle number and how many square numbers are there. Sum of square numbers equal to middle number into number of square numbers. Then you have a duty that test this property in squares with 25 numbers and find the peculiarity of the sum of square numbers. Among the square number 25 square among the square numbers with the 25 numbers, find the middle number and multiply the middle number with 25. We get an answer. Then find the sum of all the 25 numbers. Then both the sum are equal. Then you can conclude as the square middle number into 25 is the sum. Check whether it is correct or not. It is your duty. Then calendar math. This you studied in the 4th standard in detail. Calendar math is very important chapter in the 4th standard. There you study it very detailed. Here this is a calendar of a month. Here some 9 numbers are square. You put it in a round. Then that numbers are written separately. Then sum of the square numbers is 144. Here the middle number is 16. There are 9 numbers. Therefore sum is 16 into 9, 144. In algebra, this can be there in the 4th standard. You studied to write the square numbers. First given the numbers are written in the alphabetical order, in the ascending order, and then put the mark as A, B, C, D, E, F. Then put each letters in each column. That way you studied in the 4th standard. Here you can write that first you write the numbers in the ascending order. Then middle number is X. Then just top x minus 7, just bottom x plus 7. Just right x plus 1, left x minus 1. Top right x minus 6, top left, bottom left x plus 6. Top left x minus 8, bottom right x plus 8. Here the middle number is x. Then find all these 9 numbers, we get the answer is 9x. That's all about the calendar math. Then one thing you must study these 7 formulas. These 7 formulas. Understand and study is a better way. If not, you study these 7 principles or 7 rules. Understand it very carefully or thoroughly understand. Using mental math, you can do every problems using this formula. Therefore, by heart these 7 formulas thoroughly. Then apply wherever you use this formula. If you have a mental math, if you have a problem to do as in the way of mental math, then you can check which formula is suited there. Find that formula, then apply that formula in that problem. So, by heart all the 7 formulas thoroughly. Okay, that's all about in this unit, that is unchanging relations. If you have any doubt, then ask me personally. Surely I will say it once more or I will explain it once more. Okay.